Here's the box the pool comes in. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. So this is what was in the box. We have the pool liner and all the parts, the instructions. So it looks like you don't need tools. Everything just pops into place. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how it looks. So here's the layout for the pool. First you put out the pool itself, the liner, and then to set it up, you could tell on the long part you have 3 on each side, and then you have 2 on this side. Frame. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and connect the legs. So the legs are the smaller ones. There's only 4 of them. So I went ahead and connected these. So on the bottom, all you do is just loop it over on each side. Give it more support to hold it when it's filled with water. So I did it to all of them. There's also these 3 plugs over here, the blue ones. So if you ever want to connect a pool pump to keep your pool clean, then those are already pre-made. So this is how it looks. I went ahead and put a plug on this one, and those are the other 2 plugs that come with it. So all you do is just push them in place. So push them in, and it'll keep the water from coming out. So there you have it. The pool is assembled and pretty easy to put together. Here's the Vevor pool, fully assembled. So it's 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide, and it's 30 inches tall. So there you have it. Really nice pool. And just in time for the summer.